Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To raise and support your vehicle, we've got it on our 2-post lift, but if you're doing this on the ground with the jack and jack stands, full frame trucks are pretty easy. You could slide a rolling jack under here and lift it up in the front, right underneath this cross member. And then you've got the frame rails. You can put your jack stands right underneath the frame rail on both sides. And if we walk to the back, you can jack up on the rear diff and lift the truck up with your rolling jack, and then you could place your floor jacks underneath your spring perches if you want to, or if you need to work on the rear leaf springs, you can move your jack stands up and put them underneath the frame rails up here. Then of course, since we're on the 2-post lift, we've got an extra floor jack because the vehicle is long, just for extra support.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.